Welcome to Tom's Trains and Things, and welcome to my train room. Here you will see me working on my railroad. I've been on YouTube for 8 years on this channel and on another channel since 2007. I have nearly 1,000 videos, probably more than that, because I deleted some of them that are not evergreen, and I have 300 live streams. Recently, I closed down my Monday night live stream, but I'm still doing my Workbench Wednesday. So tune into Workbench Wednesday every Wednesday evening at 8 p.m. where you can see me working at the workbench building structure kits. I also have a website right here where you could get more information, tomstrainsandthings.com, and on my live streams you could see me doing these train shows right here. I update them every week. And here is some views of my layout. And on my channel you can see electronic videos, soldering, Arduino, DCCEX, beginners video, and structure kits, like I said earlier, on the Workbench Wednesday. And you can see a lot of these structures right here. Occasionally you'll see the trains running, and here is the workbench. Right now, this is a new kit that I'll be starting this Wednesday. But check it out, Tom's Trains and Things YouTube channel. And you can also find me on Rumble, where I also do the live streams. I do the live streams on YouTube and Rumble. And we have an after party after we shut down the live stream on YouTube. So check that out there. Also, look in the description down below where all the information is. Here's part of the intro from Workbench Wednesday, where it shows some memorable moments from previous live streams and videos.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting town. Yeah! On a bad day, on a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you keep me going strong. I just need my happy face to keep me moving on. Looking out the window, reflecting who I am. No one ever stopped me, not even Uncle Sam. Life might be a struggle, life might be a fight, but I am here to show the world that I can make it right. On a bad day, on a good day, on a bad day, rain keeps raining.
would like to thank all the people that have supported this channel for over 4 years. And here is the list of them right here. You can now support me on my locals community, Tom's Train of Thought. Membership is free, and by clicking the join button, you can support me for as little as $5 per month. Link is in the description and in the chat. Thank you for your contributions during the live stream. I really appreciate it. I would also like to thank all the moderators who have helped me out in the past years. Thank you very much. All the music on my videos and live streams can be found in Epidemic Sound, which is in the description below. So until the next time, we'll see ya. And have fun with whatever you're doing.